Huh?
Aha! I have an idea.
A few moments later.
Oh, wow!
Okay, let's go home. Huh?
Aha! I catch you.
Delicious.
If you like mini dishes, don't forget to leave Clover like and subscribe. Where's the beef? The flour has also run out. Please send me flour and beef. While waiting, I'll play games. You're very naughty. Don't do it like that next time.
Is anybody at home?
Huh?
I'm coming. meatball melt sandwich. First, peel off the food wrap containing the beef. Next, chop the beef into small pieces. Put the beef into a bowl. Crack an egg into the bowl. Great! Thank you, Kitty. Peel off the cheese wrapper and put it in the bowl. Add salt. Black pepper. Cumin powder. Mix the beef, egg, cheese, and spices together. Then, shape the meat into small round balls. Okay, done. Now we will fry the meat. Add cooking oil to the pan. When the oil is hot, add the meat. Fry for 5 minutes. Next, we will make the sauce for the dish. Chop the garlic into small pieces. Slice the bacon into many small pieces. Put the bacon into the pan. Stir the meat evenly in the pan. Add garlic, tomatoes, cumin powder, salt, cardamom. Finally, the meatballs. Stir everything together. Add a little water. Okay, done. Next, we will make the bread. First, put the flour into the mixer. Add yeast. Add milk. Mix for 5 minutes. Brush the bread dough surface with egg yolk. Bake for 15 minutes. Cut the bread in half. Place lettuce on it. Add a meatball, followed by a slice of cheese. Finally, place the other half of the bread on top. Eat with me, everyone! So delicious! Hello, friends! I'm Clover. Welcome to my channel. Sprinkle a little bait to trap the fish.
A few moments later.
Oh no!
Continue fishing. This fish has a problem. Fresh fish. Okay, let's go home now. First, we remove the fish scales. Cut off the tail of the fish. Next, make many holes in the fish body. Okay, done. Now we will marinate the fish. First is turmeric powder. Add salt. A little sugar. Mix, mix, and mix. Okay, done. Now we will prepare the ingredients for the dish. Chop the potatoes. Next is to chop the carrots. Finally, mince the garlic. After preparing the ingredients, we will cook the dish. Pour oil into the pan. Add garlic to the pan. Continue to add potatoes and carrots. Stir and flip. Add turmeric powder. Whipping cream. Finally, add coconut. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, done. Now we will pour the cooked ingredients onto the fish. The sound of frying fat is very soothing. Rice is an indispensable part of the meal, so now we will cook rice. Pour rice into the pot. Add water. Continue to add water. Cook for 20 minutes. Stir, stir, and flip. Very tasty. Have another piece. Try a little rice.